It's Lauren over at Wisconsin Harley. Hey, we found out why your rear tire was losing air. You got a screw in it.
Out here at Wisconsin Harley Davidson, picking up my bike for service. Unfortunately, I did have to get a new tire. Surprised I didn't see it. I was looking at it, but did it go all the way through? I'm like, oh, it went through. Oh my gosh. That sucks. Look how much tread is left on that thing.
I know.
New tire. Hey guys, heading out to a state park this weekend. Gonna do a 2-night camp out at Bong State Park. Got the bike all packed. It was a pretty tight pack. I want to show you it real quick. All right, here's the bike I've got. Got a cooler on the back. This is my Pelican cooler that I got for Father's Day. It's pretty awesome. What I had to do is actually take my backrest off the motorcycle. The backrest that plugs into the seat. I've got my rain gear there, and that's gonna be my backrest. I had to take it out of the luggage in the back. Didn't have any room. And I've got my sleeping bag is in here, along with thermarest, my pillow, and I've got a solar panel inside of here for charging my phone, because I don't have electric at the site. And then in here I've got the tent. In the actual base here I've got the tent, and well, let's just see. It's heavy. I've got all the Helinox stuff, the tent. I've got my iPad in there, my hatchet, table, chairs, all that stuff is in there. And here I've got the usual, if you've seen my other videos, you know that I have the Harley luggage that I keep in there, along with my clothing. In this case, I put my clothing on top. I just brought a few things. And like I said, I gotta work on that with 2 hands. On the other side, I've got water bottles, some fuel. What else I got in? Oh, my drone, that's the big thing. So the state park that we're going to actually has a drone, or not a drone, it has a RC field. So I want to get the drone out there, so I brought my Mavic Pro. All right, I'll see you guys. I'm just about to head out. I got to figure out what I want to do for some more food. I don't have much food. I've got a few of those backpacking type things in there, but I have no snacks or anything like that. So I'm working on that. I'm going to finish packing, possibly head to the store, and then we'll head out, and we'll see you at the park. Well, here we're at the Bong State Park. Got the camp all set up. Here's the tent. And motorcycle's over there.
Doesn't win, severe penalties for people who don't observe the laws.
Hey there, everybody. I am at the Bong State Park, campsite 114. This is the morning of my first night. Just got done with my first night. Thought I'd take you around and show you camp a little bit. Let me switch the camera around and walk you through my, actually what I also thought I'd do is take you through the tent. I have done a tent review, but here I just show you what's inside the tent. All right, here's the bike and my garbage. About an hour drive out here to the state park, not very far. I set up the tent along the edge of the site, and I moved the picnic table over here. It's on a slant, but it's not too bad. And our fire ring. Actually, I had a hard time with the fire last night. It kept going out. The water was so wet, it was just sizzling, and I had it going for a little bit, and then it just fizzled out. Got my solar panel going. It's charging my iPad right now. And here's the tent. Thought I'd show you the tent real quick. For those that haven't seen my other videos, this is a Hilleberg Keron 3 GT. The GT is the vestibule in the front that gives you the extra room. Just do a walk around real quick. And it's quite large. I get a lot of comments from people. It has a vestibule on this side too, so if you see that zipper right there, that's a opening so you can put your gear. And of course, this fits in the tour pack of the Harley. So inside, it's a little bit messy at the moment. I've got my chair inside. I'm about to take off. So I was going to put everything in the tent, but I've got my table in here, which usually both of these are outside. I've got my mosquito thermocell, jet boil. I keep all my bags in the actual tent bag. I've got the vent open. And let me get this screen here. It's a 3-person tent, so you can see I've got tons of room. Right, I'd say it's for 2 people if you have a cot, 3 people if you're not using a cot. Very comfortable night. You can see the screen over at the end, so it's got a duplicate screen on the other side, so you can get out that way if you'd like to. Got my Goal Zero LED lights up there, and I just keep my gear off on the side. New thing that I got this time around with that little table. Another one thing I noticed about the table is I gotta put something on the feet. I don't want it to puncture the tent floor, so I'm gonna probably 3D print something that I can just pop on there. Anyways, that's the tour of the tent. So I've got my cot, my sleeping bag, pillow. I do have a thermarest underneath, which never seems to stay. By the time I wake up, the pad is like off on the side. And now I got a bug in here from leaving this open. Darn it, I'll get you later. There's a dragonfly that's been casing the joint. I'm gonna go find the RC part of the park and actually just drive around the park a little bit. Got that Mavic Pro set up right there. Bike says it's 77 degrees outside. Feels like a near perfect day. There's a slight breeze.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah. Oh gosh, I think my dad can go like all the way almost up to the clouds, but
There you go. 360, 370, 80.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
That's as far as it can go right there. You wanted to know. That's as high as it'll
Oh,
go.
that looks like a fly.